Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to set a daily budget in Google Ads 2026. Your budget determines how much you're willing to spend each day and it's key to managing costs while achieving your campaign goals. So let's break down the steps to set it up effectively. Now before we start, you're gonna have to set up your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're gonna go to business.google.com and then you're gonna make sure to log in with your Google account. After that, you're gonna click on the Start Now button. Once you click on it, you're going to make sure to enter your business name and your business website. As you can see, it is mandatory. So you're going to have to enter a valid link here and click on next and finish entering your business information. Now, after that, you're going to log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the campaign types or campaign tabs. Here, you're going to select the campaign. You're going to click on the campaign you want to set up budget for. For example, you're going to set a budget for a campaign, you're going to select it, and then you're going to go to the settings. There, you're going to set your daily budget. In the budget section, you're going to enter your desired daily budget amount. This is the maximum amount you're willing to spend each day. After that, you're going to consider your campaign goals. You're going to align your budget with your goals. The higher the budget for aggressive growth or high campaign, and lower budget for testing or limited resources. Once you do that, you're gonna do the monitoring and adjustments. You're gonna keep an eye on your campaign's performance and adjust your budget as needed based on the results and the ROI. Now, you can start with a modest budget and scale up as you see positive results. And you can also use share budgets if you're managing multiple campaigns to optimize spend. And also consider seasonality and market trends when you're setting your budgets. And that's it. That's how you set a daily budget in Google Ads 2026. With the right budget, you'll control your spend and drive the best possible results. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.